Hello, day 17. Today's topic is belief or believe. And no one will believe in you until you believe in you, right? So I remember when I first started to believe that I could do this. I took my mom out to lunch in Glendale where she was working, and I had just graduated college, and I sat down and she was very quiet. My mom isn't usually so quiet. And I just laid it all out. Like, I told her straight out, Mom, I'm making a business and I'm gonna make books and sell all of that. And she just looked at me. And I was talking really fast. And I don't know exactly everything I said because it was a blur. But I remember that was that moment that there was no right or left for me, right? There was just this one direction. It's just, this is the path. This is what I'm doing. This is what I believe in to be right. And I'm going for it. And that was it. I believed in myself and I just moved forward. I didn't know how to do the stuff, but that's another story, right? So first, believe in yourself and move forward. That's the first thing. The second thing is you have to believe in the project, the product, or the service that you're going to eventually do, right? If you're wishy-washy or half in, half out, it'll probably fail. So you have to believe in it because it's going to take a lot of energy, a lot of work, a lot of man hours, a lot of fire, right? And you have to get that fire and then move it into what you're going to do. Believe in the product, the project, or the service that you are about to commit. 3 is you have to believe in a process. It's a process. You're gonna start small, a mustard seed of belief. That's it. Mustard seed of belief. That you're taking this small thing and you're growing it over time. You're not even sure what it's going to become, but you got to believe in it. You have to do it. There's a lot of work, but you're gonna have to start small and then build it out slowly. A lot of work. But I believe in you. I believe you can do it. I want to see it. So, day 17, belief. Believe in yourself. Do great things. And I'll see you on the next video.